of character education. Education is a conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have religious spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, and skills needed by themselves, society, nation, and state. Meanwhile, character is a human trait in general where humans have many traits that depend on their own life factors. So, from this understanding, it can be concluded that character education is a conscious and planned human effort to educate and empower the potential of students to build their personal character so that they can become individuals who are beneficial to themselves and their environment. Character education must always be taught, made a habit, and trained consistently so that it can become a character for students.
Next is the definition of character education according to experts. According to John W. Santhrop, character education is education that is carried out with a direct approach to students to instill moral values and provide lessons to students regarding moral knowledge in an effort to prevent prohibited behavior. Meanwhile, according to Thomas Licona, character education is a deliberate effort to help a person understand, care for, and practice core ethical values.
Next, purpose. The purpose of character education is to form a good person, make a person a good citizen, and be accepted by the environment and the noble values of the surrounding culture. Apart from that, the purpose is also to develop the potential of participants who are raised holistically so as to make someone a superior individual both intellectually and emotionally. Another purpose is also to improve the quality of the educational process so that it can form morals or noble morals in a complete, integrated, and balanced manner. Next, fungsi. 1. To develop the basic potential in humans so that they become individuals who think well, have a good heart, and behave well. 2. To build and strengthen multicultural community behavior. 3. To build and improve a competitive national civilization in international relations.
Next, character education in undeveloped countries. 1. Liberia. The government of Liberia will create strategy for children in next 5 years to focus on further reducing the average student population and ensuring more children can access a quality education at the appropriate age. Because in Liberia, the average student population and ensuring more children can access quality early childhood education. 2. Somalia. Character education has been looked a unfilled approach for decades. Now there will be a single system of 4 years in lower primary school, 4 years in upper primary, and 4 years in secondary. Structure, term times, textbooks, and even the language of teaching have all been changed to bring about a Somalia-owned system.
Character education in developing countries. Number 1. Kenya. In Kenya, character education is implemented through the Nyumba Kumi initiative program, which aims to build civilized and peaceful communities. The program involves active participation of community members in problem solving, security improvement, and conflict prevention. In this program, character education is emphasized through activities such as group discussion on age, justice, and social responsibility. And number 2, Indonesia. In Indonesia, character education is emphasized through the national character education program involving schools, families, and community. The program aims to develop values such as honesty, discipline, responsibility, cooperation, and love for the motherland.
Character education in developed countries. 1. Character education in Japan. One of the countries in East Asia emphasizes the value that every human being must be useful for society, not harm others, know how to interact, understand the emotion of the person you are talking to, suppress selfishness, be willing to work together, be disciplined and orderly. So it is not surprising that people in this country are known to be very disciplined and have a high work ethic. 2. Character education in the Netherlands. This windmill country sees students as the center of attention at school rather than the field of study being studied. That's why the subject matter is not set for one school year, so no one will stay in class.